In today's video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. Start by opening Canva and logging in. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube thumbnail to see a wide variety of templates. Browse through them and pick one that matches your video style. Click Customize this template to open the editor. Here, you can change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. For a personal touch, use the Uploads tab on the left to add your own images or logos. Drag and drop them into the template and adjust size or position as needed. Once everything looks perfect, hit download to save your thumbnail in high quality. And just like that, you've created a professional, clickable thumbnail that stands out on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing in Canva and soon you'll be a thumbnail pro.